Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Acorn turret grounded step by step. Start by confirming the turret is powered off and isolated from the mains. Identify the chassis grounding point and remove any paint or debris. Prepare a properly gauged ground wire and attached lug. Verify that the ground connection fastens to bare metal and is torque secured. Test continuity to building ground with a multimeter and record results before re-energizing the system. Gather the right tools and materials before starting to avoid delays and unsafe improvisation. Choose a ground conductor sized for the turret and local code, and pick a compatible ring terminal. Clean the chassis grounding area with a wire brush until bare metal is visible. Route the ground wire away from moving parts and sharp edges and secure it with protective sleeving. Double-check your tools and workspace lighting before proceeding. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker fits neatly on a shelf and plays clear instructions while you work, so you can follow steps hands-free without shouting over tools. I use it to cue tutorials and set timers in the shop. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by routing the ground wire along the shortest safe path that avoids hinges and sensors. Fasten the wire every few inches with corrosion-resistant clamps and use grommets where it passes through panels. Attach the ring terminal to a clean bare metal grounding stud and torque to the specified value. Use a multimeter to measure resistance. Expect near 0 ohms for a proper ground. Re-inspect mounts and clear the work area when finished.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.